How to check your history on AvaTrade. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to check your trading history in AvaTrade, then it is super quick and easy. First of all, launch open the AvaTrade app on your device and make sure that you are signed into your account using your credentials. Once you're inside the home page of AvaTrade, go ahead and tap on the horizontal menu button at the bottom right corner and tap on Accounts option. Inside the Accounts tab, you will see the History section. Tap on it and you'll be able to see your trade history on the next page. If you don't have any transactions, then it will be empty like this. But if you have some transactions in it, you can filter it by today, last week, or custom dates. You'll see open and closed trades, profit or loss, and order time and price in the detail. So that is how you can easily find your history or check your history on AvaTrade. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.